Hey guys, so you must have watched the latest video I have put about the Kinder Joy channel, and yeah, like, what about the Kinders? So yeah, we're gonna get some supplies, and we're gonna make a, what do we call that? Yeah, ice cream. So one Kinder I am gonna eat right now. So after eating it, I'm gonna get my supplies. So let's start with the video. Bye guys. Sorry, not bye. I mean, like, see you in some time. To be honest, this is kind of good. So, let's finish it up quick. Okay, we're done. So, let's get the ingredients. Okay, so guys, we have all the ingredients we need. So, now from these, we're gonna take out two, and we're gonna make it with three. So one is for making the mixture, one is to separate the balls, and then like we can take it and then, like, put the balls in and then crunch it if you have seen the tutorial. So let's start. Okay, this is gonna be kind of hard, but let's do it this way. Okay. Oh god. Okay. Whee! Whoa, that was kind of impressive one. And yeah, in the end, you get to lick it. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, I swear, guys. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. Let's meet you there when we like complete putting it. It's done, and finally I get to lick it. Yum. That was good. Let's get to the next one. Oh god. Oh my god. The little candy fell. Oh god, no. Let it be. The spoon was anyways gonna get dirty. Ah. Oh god, this is, oh my god. Oh, so yummy. This is really yummy. I'm seeing this thing. Oh my god, it's like so much kind of layer. Yeah, like when I get the one pack only, I think I just have two left, and then I don't like get to put more yums. Okay, this is so good. Let's get back to you when I'm done putting this. Okay, we're done with that. Let's lick this again. Yum, yum, yum. Ah. Let's get to the next one. Guys, it's the last one. Let's open it quick. I'm really ready to make my ice cream today. And yeah, it's bumped again from here. So yeah, the chocolate spot. Wait, what? It is the clearest one which is open. Wow. Okay, maybe good luck. Let's do this. Okay guys, we have put it this. Let's meet you when I'm done putting the whole thing. Pooh. Okay, I'm done putting this all. Let's just put this in the trash. Anyways, I'm gonna like this. Okay, so this is how the smooth cream looks like, and now we're gonna mix it. Oh my god, it feels so satisfying mixing this white with the brown. And then it like turns into a whole brown thing. It looks like you're making makeup, candy makeup. It's a good name. It looks like Mandy. Yeah, but it's actually food. You want some, guys? Take it. That was good, right? Anyways, once we're done stirring this, I have to take this balls. I have to take them in, put them inside. Oops. You put the camera properly so you guys can see. It's your choice where you want to put it. Like, I have only space for. Oh, okay. Now we oh my god, just crunch it. Yeah, you can volume a little down because this part is a little annoying as you need to. Oh, okay, that's a grimy noise. Okay, this is good. Okay, done. Okay, this is so good. Okay, now we just mix it again well. And yeah. I recommend you to get 3 Kinders once at least to try this cool recipe. But if not possible, just do it with 1. It's kind of good taste. Actually, not with 1, maybe 2. Yeah, 2 can also work. But 3 is the best choice. Okay, this has got so much chocolatey, I have to wipe it out. Oh yeah, if the chocolatey is a lot, you can just eat it. You want some, guys? Here. It looks like a snail. Whoa, looks good. Here comes the octopus. Okay, let's take this to the fridge now. It's so looking yummy and rummy. Too good. Okay, let me get this. Let's open the fridge. Okay, I don't know, but I think I'll need my mom's help. If it can't be, placed. Oh, okay, it got placed. Okay, we have to take out something good. Okay, now let's put this here. And yeah, my mom told me to switch on the fan. Yeah, let's just on the fan for her. Now it's sitting here, save electricity. And yeah, let's on the fan. Okay, now as we're gonna wait, guys, until that thing gets cool, let's get the I was planning to get the masquerade pet. Let's level it up. Why not? It's gonna be a good chance to do it. So let's get my tablet. Okay, guys, I've got my tablet. Okay, I'm gonna put the password. No peeking. Okay, guys, it's done, and as you guys see, I'm trying to get this, so let's do it again. Because I have lost my network, and yeah, it's frozen. We're gonna get this. Yeah, lost connection to server. So, guys, till the ice cream gets cool, we're going to play PKXD and get the charming crow. And yeah, I'm excited to get that crow. I mostly want to keep one of the stuff of each pack, right? Why did decline XD? Okay, guys, we have came in PKXD, so let's. I think so. We're gonna play for some time. I don't know what to play. I'm so bored. I have 77,000 coins, so I think so. We can play fashion round. Let's start with the game. Oh god, my gum fell. Okay, guys, I'm literally hanged. We have to restart. Ugh, I hate it. Okay, we have left the server. I do not know why I can still hear the game name, but let's restart again. Okay, we're about to load. Let's go. Okay, we have loaded. Let's play. Okay, we're gonna load in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're back in the game, guys. Let's play Fashion Star because yeah, we have to wait unless the ice cream gets cool. Okay, let's do this. Woo. Okay, we're loading. Did you know at the end you can buy the clothes that you choose during the game? Yeah, I know that. It comes so many times, guys, when you play this game. Okay, we're gonna be waiting for others. I feel like we'll start from the no, from this side. I was like, we have to get the skin first. Okay, it's starting. Oh my god, we have to do a cartoon. Okay, this one has came after some time, so yeah, let's do this. Okay, this is too good. This game's too good. Okay, let's get the hair. I'm gonna choose this hair. Let's choose it. Oops, I just unhaired myself. Okay, now we're gonna take this. Okay, that's cute. I mean, this is also my top favorite hairstyle. As like my favorite YouTuber, Crazy Palak. She's an Indian YouTuber and she's my favorite Indian YouTuber. I'm sorry, Sinchan XD, but she's better. And okay, now we're gonna get this cute bow. Yeah, I'm a preppy. Okay, let's get this. Is this good? Yeah, think so. It's good. I mean, it sounds so fine. Oh yeah, direct to the pants, cause we're gonna get the shirt from the masquerade place. Yeah, this is kind of looking good as a skirt. Yeah, let's now go to the shoes site. Yeah, rainbow shoes is my site right now. And yeah, let's go now. Move, 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 move. Oh my god. We're almost done. Oh my god, how did it just speed up? Okay, this is our cute look as a cartoon. I don't know, maybe like can be a cartoon character like this. I mean, like it looks cute. I'm not doubting it. Oh my god, yeah. I think it's a player left person. Oh my god, that girl's a bad person. Oh wait, what? Okay. Ew! She judged that girl. I'm giving her a 1 star because she judged that girl who hadn't dressed. It's okay if she hasn't dressed up, but you can't just judge. That's very mean of her. Oh my god! Hers is so nice. I'm gonna give her a 3 star. I just didn't like the hair and yeah, the face. Except that it's oh my god, it's us. Let's say hi. Where are you from? Me, India. I'm just joking, guys. Bye, guys. Just kidding. Oh my god, XX Lee. Oh no, I'm so sorry, but I have to give you a 1 star because you didn't dress up. Sorry. Think how she is hitting him? Oh my god. This deserves a 3 star too. Except for the skin. I didn't like it. And the face. That's why she got 2 stars less. Anyways, I think so that's the last person. And they're gonna pick winners right now. Okay, they're gonna pick winners. And the winner is, oh my god, Shaquilla. Yeah, I knew it. It's okay, I came second, that's fine. That is not at all fine. Oh, maybe you guys heard me wrong, but I said it's fine, okay? It's fine. Anyway. Oh, wait. My pet is ready to evolve? I don't remember putting... Oh my god, scaling. Yeah, yesterday, like, my friend, literally, we made a trading video. I don't think I remember putting it, but we made we, like, stopped the trading video, and then, like, he just accepted to trade the big cat for the small cat. And, like, literally, I was so mad at him. Like, it was so bad. I don't like it, bro. Oh my god! My screen turned into a laptop screen too. Okay, if I come like this close, I can even move like this far. Okay, think so. Let's do a obby or something. Yeah. Should we check out the fridge or something? Yeah, I mean, like, we're gonna even. Oh my god! She has the coolest outfit. Oh my god, XXX. She has such a good outfit. It's such a nice outfit, bro. I don't even have that good outfits at all. And yeah, I'm the second most liked person. Wait, who's Hussein? I don't see that girl. Let's do a trade with her. I wanna do a trade. Okay, she accepted the trade, guys. Let's say hi. Okay, good opportunity. Do you wanna trade a pet? Okay, what should we give her? Let's give her a Neon Falco. Oh yeah, she's saying the one which is the special one. Special Dalmata I don't have. Yeah, and yeah, I want a pet. I want a pet. Rare. I want a pet rare, bro. I'm not gonna get scammed if you know that. I'm not trying to get scammed, girl. Oh, I want a pet rare. What? Then I'll trade you a brown cat if you know. Oh my god, she's getting the brown cat. Yeah, give me this. The brown cat? Oh my god, there's a rainbow Dalmata. Hi, Rainbow Dalmata. Even I have one. Oh my god. Hi. I'm joking, bro. I also have the... Ooh. I kind of have a Pakistan too. But I don't have the luck to get... Wow. She's an Alabria cat. I have this or maybe this or maybe this. Oh, she's offering for the mallard duck. The mallard duck. Oh my god, she just declined it. Oh yeah, guys, we're gonna right now buy it. Let's start the buying process. Okay, let's buy it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, we're gonna get it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, we got the pet. Let's take it out. Oh my god, I'm excited to see which kind of it is. I think so it's epic, right? No, it's a... Wait, what? Wait, guys, I can't find the crow anywhere. What? Wait. You gotta be kidding me. Where is the crow? I literally got it. Where's the crow? Guys, I literally got it. I'm not able to find it. I think I should reopen my PKXD. Let's reopen it. I think so I gotta restart because I am not able to find it. See? Can you even see it over here? It's not there. Wait, but what kind of it is? Wait, is it like a secret one? I mean, like, I have seen it. Think so, let's restart. I mean, like, guys, the PKXD opened itself, so I don't feel like it worked. So let's do it again. Okay, we're gonna start again. Let's do it. Okay, we have again team in the PKXD. I have reopened it. Okay, let's check if we got the crow. Okay, I'm scrolling. Yes, we got the charming crow. It is an epic kind. I knew it. It's so cute. Think so. Let's go play fashion and like level it up. Okay, I'm gonna guys see you when I level up like half. Hey guys, wanted to record because I was feeling lonely. So yeah, we're now it's a prom. It's prom. So yeah, we're gonna use this hair. Oh my god, it looks so nice in this. Okay, you gotta select the face quick. Okay, we're almost out of time. Whew. Okay. We're gonna get our cutie. Okay, it works. It is a very nice one. Yeah, I love this outfit. Anyways, thanks for watching. Oh my god, this is so nice. I think she's gonna win. Yeah, but I'm giving her 2 because I don't like her outfit that much. Oh my god, Jessie. Hers is nice. I'm giving her 3 because the face and yeah, the black thing she used. Thank you. Bye bye. You're coming next. Woohoo! Hi. Hi. Special India. Where are you from? Oh my god, we're like almost always last. Okay. Let's see the winners. I'm like so excited to see the winners. Oh my god, we like literally got 6. Oh my god. But I still feel happy that she won. Jessie did good. Yeah, let's watch her ad because I wanna like get better stuff. You got an ad off of mine. Okay, we skipped the ad. We got coins. We're going back to the what? Literally went back. Okay, anyways guys, I would like carry on about the crow video. I mean like leveling up the crow. But yeah, thanks for watching. And now we're gonna go and check the ice cream. Let's go. Okay, we're slowly approaching. Guys, let's open the fridge. Okay, here's our ice cream. Let's check it out. Oh, it's kind of cool. Let's keep it here. And let's go. Okay, I can't wait to see this. Oh, run. Okay. Okay. This whole thing. What happened here? Okay. First things first. We ruined our masterpiece. Look at this hole. Okay. It's okay. We still made a great ice cream. I guarantee. This is kind of nice. Anyways, I'm gonna put this back in the fridge, guys. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye, guys.